Minasan, konnichiwa. For today's video, we're looking at how to change adjectives in Japanese into nouns. So to give context, why would a person want to change adjectives, predominantly e-adjectives, into a noun in Japanese? That's to indicate either number one, dimension, or number two, the degree or extremity of something. And so let's have a look at some examples. Here we have takai. Takai means tall. So by taking off the i and adding on sa, that gives you takasa. Takasa meaning height. For hiroi, hiroi means wide as an adjective. Then again, taking off the i, putting on sa, hirosa, width. Omoi, omoi means heavy. Taking off the i, adding on sa, omosa, weight. To put this into practical application, rei ichi, here's the first example. So we're talking about Kinkakuji in Kyoto, the Golden Temple. So, Kinkakuji no takasa wa 12.5 meters desu. So the takasa, the height of Kinkakuji, is 12.5 meters. You would have heard the 10 being point. 12.5 12.5 meters desu. For the Skytree, the Tokyo Skytree, Skytree no takasa wa 634 meters desu. So Skytree's height is 634 meters. Another example, rei ni. Let's look at this Toyota Corolla. So the takasa, the height, is 146 centi. So it's 146 centimeters. Then for the nagasa, which comes from nagai, meaning long, nagasa, the length, nagasa wa 427.5 centi. So the length is 427.5 centimeters. And for the omosa, omoi, heavy, omosa meaning the weight, omosa wa 1805 kilo desu. So 1805 kilograms. So now looking at the second dimension of converting e-adjectives into nouns in Japanese. So we're looking at degree and extremity. So to begin with, we have atsui. Atsui means hot. Same process, taking off the i, adding on sa. Atsusa is talking about heat. Next we have furui. Furui means old. Again, taking off the i, adding on sa, furusa. So that's talking about the age of something, the oldness, I suppose. And the last one we have omoshiroi, interesting. Taking off the i, adding on sa, omoshirosa. So that's the level of interest of something. Let's look at some examples. So the first one, we have Hokkaido no samusa wa taihen desu yo. So Hokkaido's coldness or level of cold is taihen, awful desu yo. Yuki, snow. Yuki ga itsumo futteimasu. So the snow is always falling. For the second example, sono hon no omoshirosa wa, so the interesting point of sono hon, that book, wa action desu. So it's all of the action of that book. So here we are, a mini quiz. Let's see how you do. So for height. Height is takasa. Weight is omosa. Width is hirosa. Length is nagasa. Now that was for the first type, which is dimensions. Let's have a look now at the degree of something. The degree of fun of something is the tanoshisa. The interest, the level of interest of something, such as that book and its action, is the omoshirosa. Then we have the coldness of something, the cold of it, the samusa, such as just how awful the cold is in Hokkaido, and the heat of something, maybe the heat in Okinawa, the atsusa. Or you could maybe say that it's very pleasant